from Your Six Studios. Today in the studio I'm going to show you how to find all your files on your Motorola phone. So if we swipe up from the bottom, we want to go to search for apps and type in files. And right here, this is called files. And this is where all your files will be located. So you can go to the top left and you can go to clean, you can view your trash, go to settings under here, and you can see your hidden folders here. Now if we go to downloads, we can see your downloads images right here. Audio, apps, documents, videos, and then we have a save folder right here that you might have some items in as well. So we can go to show hidden folder. So if you got some sort of application you're looking for or some sort of document you might have downloaded, go ahead and just check this out. It might be in one of these different categories. So we got our internal storage right here, DCIM, and maybe we have an SD card attached. It could be located over here as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.